strikes and spares, all is fair when it comes to the Anne Arundel County Unified Bowling Championships. Hi, I'm Wiley Baker with another edition of Athletes in Action at Annapolis Bowl. Let's go clawing in with the Annapolis Panther Unified Bowling Team and head coach Amanda Weisgerber. What got you interested in bowling in general?
I always knew about it at school, but it wasn't really until my junior year that I started to get involved with the special ed kids and in the Unified Bowling program. And then once I started with Unified Bowling, I became more familiar with the kids and started with Unified Bocce, and then now I'm a peer buddy at school.
What do you like the best about Ellie? Is she a good bowler?
Yep.
Ah, very good. And does she get a lot of strikes?
Yeah.
A lot of spares too?
Yep.
Tell me how strong you are. Very good.
The Unified Sports Program actually means a lot to me, and I'm gonna be so sad graduating and not being able to see them every other day. But they've helped me kind of decide what I want to do in college. Being on the Unified Sports teams has wanted me to major in special education and further my academic career.
That's so awesome. Tell me about your team a little bit, Moises. They're a good team. How good are they?
The best in the county, right?
Kinda.
Is that true? Tell us that. Are you the best in the county?
Yeah.
I know to be a bowler, you have to be a good student too. Are you a good student?
Yeah.
Yes. What grades do you get?
8.
A's? All right. So you're a smart guy.
Yep.
So how many strikes are you going to get today, do you think? What's your goal?
100.
100 strikes. If you get 100 strikes, you're definitely going to be successful today.
I think it's really just creating a relationship with students that we don't see all the time every day because we're not in the same classrooms as students like Marcus. So it's a nice way because we also have other unified sports to meet them outside of the classroom and build a relationship with them. So it's like Marcus, for instance, we've bowled a lot together even last year. So he and I have developed a relationship, not only playing unified bowling, but even when we see each other in the hallways, we're able to say hi to each other and just see familiar faces throughout the school.
Well, Marcus, talk to me a little bit about this guy, Winston, here. He's a pretty cool guy, it seems like. Is that true?
Yeah, he's good at bowling. He likes to say hi, and he gets to give me pounds. And I have him a pep talk in a bowling game if he misses some bowling things.
You got this, Winston. You got this.
I talk to them how to do that so they won't give up and never get confused and let them try their best and having fun. Miss Wise and Miss Birmingham, they're kind of nice. They watch us and they see how we're doing and they say good job to us. They're wonderful teachers.
Just like every other sport, you guys have to have the good grades.
Yeah, it's still a challenge sometimes, especially if you have a lot of things due that week. Sometimes, like I know I've had to miss one practice because I had so much stuff due. Just seeing Marcus in the hallway, though, it's like I said, it's a familiar face and someone you can say hi to. And when he has a smile on his face, it makes me feel better too. So, and his pep talks, it's not even funny. I kid you not, last game I was doing horrendous. And for some reason, he's like, all right, pep talk. And I improved so much better. And then I said back to Marcus, I'm like, hey, we got to do this together. We got to do very, very well. And that's what we did. So.
What did you say in that pep talk there, Marcus?
Winston, try to get in the middle of the strike and then line and then try rolling with your right hand and going like this. And try on the left. If the ball turns right, it can get to the middle of the strike. But you can do it and never give up on me.
My team is absolutely amazing. I adore them, and during school I actually coach most of them too. So I get to see them here and at school, and it doesn't seem like working or coaching at all because they're funny. We laugh every practice because they come with such character.
Getting a chance to coach, in my opinion, the best athletes at Annapolis High School is, like Amanda said, it's not work at all. It's just fun. We have fun.
We might not necessarily have the most skilled bowlers, but we are definitely going to have the most fun bowlers. Gosh, the kids, I can't tell them how proud I am of how much they actually value their friendship over their playing. I mean, they're more concerned about who they're going to play with and who they get to sit with than what score they're going to get. So I really love how they bring that every game to, just excitement for each other.
So the collaboration between the athletes and partners is one of the most fun things. We have seniors who genuinely are excited to move on, but they want so bad to stay just for the unified sports, and that's what unified sports is all about, is the partners working with and having fun with the athletes and giving them, friendships that will last seriously well beyond bowling season.
Thanks for bowling in. I'm Wiley Baker. I'll talk to you on the court, on the field, or on the air, and with another edition of Anne Arundel County Public Schools Athletes in Action.